Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another 1.6 2012 Gypsy for sale in Bangalore. This is a first owner vehicle, ex-army vehicle, completely restored and readily available for sale. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is completely built with a brand new condition with a new paint job, and off-roading bumpers are available. Off-road rims are available. 235, 75, 15, 80 tires, Yokohama tires are available. 1.6 engine is available in this, and also you can just check out the hardtop body line in this. Set of 4 tires are completely 80, and you can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is coming up with headers. AC is available, power steering is available in this. Completely readily built and ready for sale in Bangalore. This is a 2012 model which is readily available, very neat, in very good condition. Snorkel is available in this. AC is available in this. Ready and built for off-roading as well as road use purpose. You can just check out the Snorkel, very neat and very clean. And when coming to the interiors of the vehicle, it's completely done up vehicle with a brand new seat covers, new dashboard, swift steering in this, 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive, and aluminium door pads. You can just have a look at a brand new heavy battery has been installed in this. This is a 1.6 Bolero petrol engine. We also have a power steering, compressor, everything is available in this. So BMC Airfilter is also available, and upgraded radiator is done on this. AC is also installed in this. Completely a complete setup vehicle. So anybody who is really interested to have a look at this vehicle or buy this vehicle, the price we are quoting is 9.5 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on this WhatsApp number 9886679. The RC is valid up to 2037. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a great day.